Hi everyone and welcome back to Liziloulovecraft. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the foundation single crochet, otherwise known as the FSC. This technique is really handy because it combines your starting chain and your first row of single crochet all in one. This gives your work a stretchier, neater edge, perfect for projects like hats and garments that need a little bit of extra stretch. Now we start off with the slip knot and we will work 2 chains. We start with the first chain, not the first chain next to the hook, the first chain we did. So insert, yarn over, pull through. We now have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through only the first one. That gives us this standing chain to work with. Now we yarn over, pull through both loops to finish the single crochet. That's our first foundation single crochet. We now will work through this V on the side, this standing chain we made, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and that creates our second standing chain. We yarn over, pull through to finish the single crochet. So into the standing stitch we made, so yarn over into the first loop, and that makes the third chain, yarn over, pull through, finishes the 3rd stitch. And you just keep practicing this really until it just becomes a little easier to do. But if you work too tightly, you'll struggle with this. As you see the nice chains forming, you'll struggle getting this initial bit sorted. So just nice and loose first and finish. And as you'll see, you'll end up with a nice row of single crochet foundation stitches. And that's it. We have made the foundation single crochet. It might be a little fiddly at first, but just keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. But it's quite a useful technique to have in your crochet toolkit. If you found this crochet tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and patterns. Thanks for watching and happy hooking.